Hello Physics 2 class, I'm Duncan Hazel. This semester I got to go to see the Physics of the Piano lecture by Nick Giordano of Purdue University. And I learned many things about the piano that I once just thought sat in my house for no reason. So now I'm going to just teach you a song first, and then I'll talk a little bit about what I learned at the piano lecture. This is Chopsticks. Just a little song about a poor piano player trying to play. But it's the thing I always played growing up, and I just wanted to bang on the piano a little bit. But in this lecture, I learned a lot about just the whole. I never really understood how the piano worked. I'd always open up the piano door, and because we had an upright Steinway sitting in our house, so I'd look at it and press the keys and be in awe at all the things moving. I mean, I guess it's really just a big lever. It's just levers, but just all the different strings, the different sizes of the strings, the hammer, the lever. I always thought it was a really cool instrument, and it's really cool how it's like a hybrid of percussion and string, because it's got the strings and it's got the hammer that hits the strings. So I mean, if you don't know how a piano works, obviously this is an electric piano. There's no strings. It's all pre-recorded. But if this had strings and a hammer, basically, if it's an upright piano, you hit the key, and then it'll push the hammer out, and then it'll release it, and it'll hit the string like that. If you have a grand piano, you hit the key, it'll bring it down, push it up, and then make it go down and hit the string. And I didn't know that the piano was actually not the first keyboard instrument invented. That's one thing I learned. I now know that it's from all the the clavichord and other keyboard instruments. And honestly, I didn't know that one other thing I learned was that it originally was called the piano forte, which I played trombone, so I know piano means soft, and then forte means loud, so it means loud soft. So that's revelation to me. And I don't know. The piano is just a great instrument. It's really why I went to the lecture, because I thought it'd be a really cool lecture to go see someone talk about the physics of the piano and all the different harmonics. And yeah, I think it was a great lecture. I thought at the end of the lecture it was really funny. Some guy, I guess he was a professor, I kept asking the lecturer, "Hey, shouldn't people start making microscopic pianos?" And the lecturer said, "Oh, well, I mean, we could, I guess." And he's like, and then the questioner just kept bugging him and being, "Well, we should make microscopic pianos so we can sell it to bacteria and things." And he's like, "Okay, yeah, that's great, that's cool." And he just kind of shrugged him off, and I just thought that was hilarious, because I mean, the guy was just asking a dumb question. But yeah, thanks for watching my video. I hope you learned something today, and good luck on finals.